Hi, it's Pete from Central Media Services. Just a short video to show you how people are searching for services on Google these days. You see here that we're going to search for plumbers in Loughborough. You will see that what they call a local intent search, so the name of the trade and the town name, brings up what's known as Google's 3-pack. Now it brings up 3 local businesses that Google decide are the most relevant, and if your business can't be found here, the chances are it will be in this area here, which no one frankly sees. So the key is really to get your business into these top 3 places. It's something that we can certainly do for you, and if you've received a letter from us regarding this, we're pretty certain we can get you into the 3-pack and getting calls over and over again.